Hello my friend. Today I want to show you how to avoid crypto exchange withdrawal fees, especially for Bitcoin, when moving funds to another exchange and when you are cashing out your cryptocurrency. Let's take Binance for example, Binance being the most popular exchange out there, and Binance will charge you 0.0004 Bitcoin for any Bitcoin withdrawal, and that means something around $3.64. But if you don't invest a lot of money into Bitcoin in cryptocurrencies, if you are invested with a small amount, that might mean a lot of money for you. Therefore, I want to show you how you can save up some money when you withdraw your Bitcoin from Binance to another exchange or when you want to sell your Bitcoin for cash. So I chose Cryptocom and Coinbase Pro for this example. Crypto.com because I use their exchange and their services a lot lately, and Coinbase Pro because you can easily send your coins there and sell them for cash. For coins, I chose the top 10 cryptocurrencies, but also the other coins that are listed on Crypto.com and also Binance. And from this comparison here, you can see which ones are the least expensive coins to withdraw from Binance, and that's Bitcoin Cash SV, Binance Coin, Stellar, Cosmos, and Icon. The withdrawal fees for these coins are minimal, but you can see out of all of them, Stellar is the most cheapest one, so withdrawal for Stellar is basically free. And the good news is that Stellar is also traded on Crypto.com and on Coinbase Pro. You can send Stellar to Coinbase Pro and you can just sell those coins for cash. So how would this actually work? Well, you will sell your Bitcoin to Stellar on Binance, then you withdraw your Stellar to Crypto.com or Coinbase Pro, and then sell your Stellar back to Bitcoin on Crypto.com. This way your Bitcoin that was on Binance is now Bitcoin in Crypto.com. You just converted it to another cryptocurrency in order to get a cheaper withdrawal fee. But there are some things to take in consideration. When you convert your Bitcoin to Stellar on Binance, you'll pay a transaction fee. Also, there's a withdrawal fee for Stellar, but at 0.0006 is basically free. Then there is a buy fee when you transform your Stellar to Bitcoin on Crypto.com. And also there is a spread, which is the difference between the price you are selling at on Binance and the price you are buying at on Crypto.com. But as long as all these costs are below the 0.0004 Bitcoin or a bit over $3, you'll withdraw your Bitcoin cheaper from any exchange. So the Bitcoin to Stellar sell fee on Binance is 0.1%. The withdrawal fee is basically free, and buying Bitcoin back on Crypto.com will cost you 0.16%. Also, the spread is 0.3%. You can see from this chart that the Binance price for Stellar is ending in 973, but on Crypto.com it's ending in 976. So there's a difference between the Binance price for Stellar and also the price for Stellar on Crypto.com. Of course, if you use limit orders, you are able to buy and sell the cryptocurrency at the exact same price, so the spread won't affect you as much. But for this example, I'm going to use market orders, because with limit orders, you don't know that your order will be actually filled, and you have to wait a bit until your order is filled. And for market orders, that is instant. So putting all this fees together, it will count for 0.56%, and this should be lower than the withdrawal fee for Bitcoin, which is $3.64, which means if you are moving around less than $650 worth of Bitcoin, then it will make sense to withdraw your funds this way. For example, if you want to move around $100 worth of Bitcoin, it would be cheaper with a 0.56% fee if you convert it to Stellar first, and that is a minimal fee compared to the fee that you pay if you withdraw Bitcoin directly. You can optimize this further if you use Binance Coin in order to trade on Binance, and then the fee will drop to 0.075%. The withdrawal fee is the same. And if you stake CRO on Crypto.com, then the fee will drop to 0.1%. The spread will be the same. All the transaction fees will sum up to 0.47%, and that would make it cheaper if you have to withdraw less than $770. But in this table, I also put the column for Coinbase Pro. You can see which coins you can withdraw for cheap to Coinbase Pro. Again, Stellar is the one that is the cheapest. So if you want to move your coins to Coinbase Pro in order to sell your Bitcoin to cash, then the Bitcoin to stellar sell fee on Binance is 0.1. The withdrawal fee is basically free. Whatever coin you choose to sell on Coinbase Pro, the fee is 0.5%. And the last time I checked, the spread was only 0.01%. I'm excluding the 0.5% transaction fee on Coinbase Pro because no matter what coin you choose to sell, either Bitcoin or Stellar, the fee will be the same. It doesn't make sense to add it in this calculation. So therefore, the whole transaction fees are 0.11%. And that means that you'll be able to send to Coinbase Pro $3,100 worth of Bitcoin, and the withdrawal fee will still be cheaper compared to if you withdraw Bitcoin to Coinbase Pro. It's a plus that if you want to sell your Bitcoin to cash, you don't have to buy Bitcoin again with Stellar because you can already sell Stellar to cash. So there's no need to convert it back to Bitcoin. But if you have $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to withdraw from Binance to Coinbase Pro, you'll only pay 11 cents for that transaction, and then you can sell your coins on Coinbase Pro. But if you want to withdraw Bitcoin from Binance to Coinbase Pro, you'll have to pay the $3.64 in fees. And here is a real example. In the first image you can see where I sold Bitcoin for Stellar, and then in the second image you can see where I sold my Stellar for Bitcoin on Crypto.com. And if you do the math, you'll see that I only spent $0.45 in order to move my Bitcoin from Binance to Crypto.com instead of the $3.64 that Binance is asking for me to withdraw Bitcoin directly. One more thing that I want to mention is that the withdrawal fee for cryptocurrency will cost more as the value of the cryptocurrency grows. Right now, 0.0004 Bitcoin, it's around $3 to $4, but as the price of Bitcoin grows, that means the withdrawal fee will grow as well. The exchanges will actually adjust this fee in order to facilitate withdrawals. Actually, for Binance, before it was 0.0005 Bitcoin to withdraw, but now it's set to 0.0004 Bitcoin, and they will continue to adjust it. But with this method that I showed you in this video, you can actually pay much less for withdrawals. But one thing to keep in mind is that stable coins like USDT, USDC, GUSD or TUSD, they have their withdrawal fee fixed between 1 and 1.2. It's usually 1, but I saw that Binance charges 1.2. So there's really no point in paying more than $1 in withdrawal fees when you're moving cryptocurrencies around exchanges. Lastly, I want to remember you that you can get $50 for free when you sign up and stake 50 MCO on Crypto.com. I've been using their service a lot lately, and recently I got my metal card as well, and I've been using it ever since. I'm really happy with it. I really want to show you the benefits of it, and I'll create a video on that. But remember that if you download the app, sign up with my referral code, and we both get $50 when you order your Crypto.com Ruby card, and that's a metal debit card with no fees. You also get 2% cashback in cryptocurrency for every purchase that you make, and you also get your money back for your Spotify subscription if you make your payment with this card. Like I said, I'm very pleased with this card. I'm gonna make a review on it, so I totally recommend to check Crypto.com out. That's it for me today. Make sure to like the video if you find it helpful, and only subscribe if you want to hear more awesome content like this. I'll see you in the next one.